Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this video about as a weekly recap. So let's get started here. Week started on the 5th, Monday, and as you can see here, pound USD I had along here. This is my order, buy order, and SL move to break even, and from here to there it is well, the entry, if you can see, that it was from last Friday, which was July 2nd. Then 3rd and 4th was the weekend, and the 5th, Monday, comes. And actually, if you can see that here, the date, the 6th. So I held it nice and clean all the way to until Tuesday, and then close it. Okay, so that's how it is, 110 pip. And here on the 6th, then was the entry and close the trade euro yen. You can see sell order here, SL move to break even, and I get this precise entries because of my EA here. But this EA gives me the alarm when all the conditions are met for the setup, and I'm expecting through my analysis either long or short on these things. For example, if I show you that let's say I was expecting this, not this, let me see if I can show you this, for example. Okay, now euro USD, right? I'm already weekly chart expecting this. So if I get a short order, then and the alarm is beeping for a short setup, then I'll take it. As simple as that. And what happened to this chart, you can see that I had several euro USD short, and this is what happened because it came down, okay, as of yesterday. So that's how it is. So this is the alarm was beeping. I took it here, and euro yen 20-minute chart for 100. And then on the 6th, pound yen from 7-minute chart, I was expecting a turn, as I just showed you the chart here, and I was expecting a big, down move. You see this chart I made pound yen on June 13. So I was expecting that, it's going to be like all down moves. So I had several pound yen entries to the downside since then. So this is one of them on the 6th of July. Every time it goes up, retrace, and then start to come down, and we get it based on our alarm. And here, pound Aussie went up because of the Aussie. The Aussie is because of the lockdown. Aussie is getting weaker badly, and it was for several couple of weeks now, I guess, right? So Aussie pairs hard, like Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, they're going up because of the weakness in Aussie. And this is on the 7th. Again, you see the pound yen on the 20-minute, it dropped here, it retraced. This was my little 7-minute short I just showed you. Then it came down, I cashed out, it went up and gave me a 20-minute short setup again for 80 pip. Here's my sell order and SL move to break even. This is on the 7th, and I have a 7th pound CAD, long entry by the book. This is because of pound yen was dropping because of the yen index getting strong. I'll show you later. And this is because of the pound getting strong. It went up against the Canadian dollar for 85 pip. Now, euro USD, I just showed you the chart, the long-term chart, right? So I'm already expecting that this thing is going to drop since June 13th. So that's really happened. And I had several shorts since then. From the top and here, and then again here. This is 75 pip on the 7th of July. And on the 7th, euro yen again, I just showed you a little while ago. This is the one, right? The trade I took on the way there, bounced on the support, and in the volume time, again, I went short 400 pip. This is how easy it is. I mean, it keeps gives you, if you have your analysis is right and you see that the price is moving, these candles, they give you a very precise entry. this whole system is just not candle. I mean, you have like these moving averages, and then these candles, the shape of the candles, and high, lower high, or higher low type of scenario, and this indicator. So put it all together, and you have a nice setup. Now here, previously, I had this one going up, and now since yen started getting strong, USD yen came down, gave me a short setup here for 75 pip on the 8th. And on the 8th, USD CAD, you can see here USD getting strong, and then actually also the CAD was getting weaker. So this is a buy order here, and it'll start to go up all the way here. And I should close here, but I waited, and then it started dropping. So I said, okay, no problem, 65 pip. Yeah, and the pippage is not from here to the top. At the time I am closing, that's what it is. So 65 is from the entry point to this yellow line, which was the current price at that time. That's 65 pip. And then you can see on the 9th, pound yen, after dropping badly, and the yen start retracing. Okay, yen index. So yen start getting weaker, and now all pound yen pair is gonna go up. So this is the one that I found. This you can see this how nicely this yellow line goes above the black, and not only above the black but above the red, and giving me, this was a perfect entry, but I missed that one. And then this is the one that were taken because of the alarm beeping, and after that no looking back at all, right, all the way up 120 pip. So this is how this system works. It's just a matter of you understanding it, learning it, and use it properly with the rules. Okay, a lot of people, I had the other day, it's like shorting from the top without the setup. I mean, you can do, there are so many other ways to trade, right? But I rather stick to my scenario, and then just take the trades according to the setup and the alarm. And I'm always much better that way. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. And if you like to get the system and learn about it, go on my website, myforex.com, and subscribe and get going. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.